Enter OneNET and search on this web page. Click China Mobile on this interface, then enter this interface. Scroll down to the bottom and switch the language. Select English, then the whole interface will change into English. Click Developer Center on the upper right corner. On the new interface, click Create Product on the right. Enter product name, select product industry, enter product type. Select EDP on Device Access Agreement. Click Confirm. Pop-up Product is created successfully. Click Add Device immediately. Enter device name on access device. Enter device name on access device and authentication information. Click Access Device. After adding it, you see an icon like an exclamation point below the operation on the right. Click on it. Click Add API Key on the pop-up interface. First, enter API key name and you can enter anything you like. Then enter associated device. The value is of the device name. Click Add API Key and you add it. Then copy the device ID and API key value into our program. Replace with the ID key in the program, then burn it into Arduino. When you see the green icon on the left lights up, it is successful. This is the wiring diagram of ESP8266. In the next video, we'll show you how to add applications and the experimental effect.